I am worthy of being wealthy. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I move from the poverty thinking to the abundance thinking. I am worthy of making more money. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I embrace new avenues of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I release all negative energy over money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I use money to better my life and the lives of others. Wealth constantly flows into my life. My actions create constant prosperity. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. My finances improve beyond my dreams. Money is the root of joy and comfort. Money and spirituality can coexist in harmony. Money and love can be friends. Money is my servant. I am the master of my wealth. I am able to handle large sums of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. I can handle massive success with grace. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. Money creates positive impacts in my life. I am worthy of a wealthy life. Money comes to me in miraculous ways. The world is abundantly full of everything. There is no lack. If I perceive lack in my life, I am free to change that starting right now. I am free to replace my old programming concerning money with new, healthier thoughts. Money is everywhere in the world. The amount I have is not representative of how hard I work. Money can come from my job, from investments, from gifts, from almost anywhere. I do not need to work more to get more. I am willing to think differently about receiving money starting right now. I am deserving of abundance in my life. I am part of the universe, and I am willing to believe that the universe is infinite and abundant. I am willing to believe that I am infinite and abundant, just like the universe. I know I was created as a being of love, of hope, of charity, of goodness, and that I am a reflection of the divine. There is nothing in me that is undeserving of good. I am open to receive wealth in many ways. I was taught there is only one way to receive money and wealth in my life, and now I see there are multiple paths to wealth and abundance. I am willing to travel more than one path to increase the amount of money in my life. All good, all peaceful, and all equally valuable. I love my positive, happy, abundant life. I am the only person who is thinking in my mind right now. I can choose something different than I am experiencing right now, and while it might feel strange to think in a different way, I am certainly entitled to do that. The more I give, the more I receive. The more I receive, the more I give. I know everything evens out, therefore I am determined to send good into the world. That way, I know I am going to be getting good back into my life. Just because I send out a message of giving does not mean I am going to be getting back a message that I need to give even more. That is not how the universe operates. When I give, I get back, and then I have even more reasons to give more out. It is a beautiful and peaceful cycle that works with everyone in the world. Life is abundant, and I am safe. The world is as I see it, and I am willing to see it as a safe and beneficent place to live. Others are more than welcome to view the world as full of fear and lack. I simply choose to live the way I believe. If I choose to make my life focus on abundance, happiness, peace, cheerfulness, love, and plenty of every good thing to go around for everyone, then I will bring more and more of those things into my life. I feel rich. I love money. Money loves me. I attract money now. I am very happy and grateful that money comes to me in increasing quantities from many sources on a continuous basis. I am receiving money now. I have more than enough money. I am willing, ready, and able to receive money. I see abundance everywhere. I am a money magnet. I am grateful for what I already have and for all that I receive now. I have more than what I need. Money now comes to me from unexpected sources, and I am grateful. My income is growing higher and higher. I am a rich child of a loving universe. I have the power to attract money. I receive money happily now. Money flows to me easily. I am sensible with money and manage it wisely. I allow my income to constantly expand, and I always live in comfort and joy. I realize that money is essential for leading a good life, but that I should not make it the number one priority of life. The universe is the constant supplier of money for me, and I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. Whatever activities I perform make money for me, and I am always full of money. My bank balance is increasing every day, and I always have enough money for myself. Money and I are friends, and our friendship will never fall apart. I am a money magnet towards whom money is constantly attracted. Every day, I am attracting and saving more and more money. Money is an integral part of my life and is never away from me. I am debt-free as money is constantly flowing into my life. My money consciousness is always increasing and keeping me surrounded by money. I have a positive money mindset. I am focused on becoming rich. Attracting money is easy. My bank account's worth is always growing. Money is good. Money is energy. I am fully supported in making money by doing what I love to do. Money comes to me through expected channels and unexpected channels. My income automatically rises higher and higher. I am open to the best things in life. My wallet is overflowing with money. Life is so easy. I welcome money into my life. I am open and ready to let money into my life. The money is in my life just as natural as eating, drinking, and sleeping. My pockets are full of money. My positive money thoughts are coming true. The universe always serves my highest interest. I can always get whatever I need. Financial success is mine. I accept it now. I love having money. There is enough for everyone. I attract money naturally. The more I contribute for others, the more money I make. The more I enjoy life, the more money I make. The universe constantly supplies money to me. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. Money and I are friends. Money is flowing to me. Money flows easily into my life. I attract money to me, and I am attracted to money. I love money. I enjoy making money and strive to have fun in every aspect of my work. Whatever activities I perform make money for me. Money flows to me easily, frequently, and abundantly. I have the power to attract money. I place no limits on the amount of money I can make. I attract money naturally. My bank account is filled with money. I have an endless supply of cash. I attract money everywhere I go. I do have a source of financial flow. Today is the day of my amazing good fortune. I happily see every bill paid now. I joyfully see every obligation met now. I am boundless abundance in radiant expression. I am bountifully supplied with money. I accept all the joy and prosperity life has to offer. Financial success comes to me easily and effortlessly. My income exceeds my expenses. My grateful heart is a magnet that attracts more of everything that I desire. I am a money magnet, and prosperity of all kinds is drawn to me.